Motor circuit wiring can be complex. The following information provides some clarity. When wiring a bandsaw motor, the conductor ampacity needs careful attention. According to code 430.22a, the conductors must be sized at 125% of the motor's full load current. For a 2 horsepower motor operating at 240 volts, the full load current, according to table 430.248, is 12 amps. Therefore, the conductors must handle at least 16 amps, which is 125% of 12 amps. Considering conductors, number 12 American wire gauge THHN/THWN-2 conductors are often a suitable choice, as they have an ampacity that exceeds the 16 amps requirement. Check table 310.16 for ampacity ratings based on the conductor's insulation type and temperature rating. The overcurrent protection for the motor circuit is also critical. Code 430.52 allows for an inverse time breaker to be sized up to 250% of the motor's full load current. In this case, that would be 30 amps, which is 250% of 12 amps. Keep in mind that the overcurrent protection is primarily to protect the motor and the circuit conductors from overloads and short circuits. When dealing with a twistlock receptacle, such as an L6-20, there are additional considerations. Code 210.21 Bone dictates that the receptacle's rating must match the circuit's rating. An L6-20 twistlock requires a circuit rated for 20 amps. Here are a couple of options for wiring the bandsaw motor circuit. Option 1 involves using a fuse and receptacle combination. Firstly, run number 12 conductors from a 40 amp breaker to a fused disconnect. Secondly, install 20 amp time delay fuses in the disconnect. Thirdly, install an L6-20 twistlock receptacle on the load side of the disconnect. This option meets the requirements by providing adequate conductor ampacity for the motor, protecting the conductors with a 40 amp breaker, and meeting the 20 amp rating requirement for the L6-20 receptacle. Option 2 involves reducing the breaker size with the receptacle. Firstly, run number 12 conductors from a 30 amp breaker. Remember that 24 amps is 125% of 2 horsepower. Secondly, install an L6-15 twistlock receptacle rated for 15 amps. However, this option is only viable if the bandsaw manufacturer approves the L6-15 receptacle and the 30 amp circuit. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions for confirmation. Keep in mind that the choice between these options depends on the specific requirements of the bandsaw motor and the local electrical codes. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the wiring is safe and compliant. Using number 12 American wire gauge Romex with a 60°C column will only give you 25 amps of ampacity. While it is technically compliant based on the calculation shown, it does not offer much of any room if the motor's ampacity increases for any reason. Always allow for an additional margin for any potential changes in the motor, or any slight increase in the ampacity. Number 12 American wire gauge THHN/THWN-2 is generally better because it is capable of handling more amperage compared to the Romex.